can actually unlock the project from an economic perspective in terms of improving your ROI or reducing your payback period, for example. Another thing I think grants can do is decrease the perceived risk around the project. A grant can sometimes just be the thing to almost emotionally help the C-suite to get the decision over the line. If you're a large emissions intensive business, there tend to be grants available for that. If you're a smaller business looking to decarbonise your operations, there is a suite of smaller grants available. It is important prior to embarking on a grant application to be what we call investment ready. So we've started down the track of project planning, perhaps have a bankable feasibility study or a financial model to be at the point where you can really prepare a compelling and detailed grant application.